Hi, welcome back to Pawpaw Sammy and Allybug's YouTube channel. Pawpaw is going to explain how to go from this first year bed and how to prep your soil and let it add every single year and layer up and decompose to get to this fourth year bed. These beds were planted on the same day this year, but this bed has 4-year-old soil and this bed has fresh soil that he is just starting to create. Huge difference. So I hope you learned something and enjoy the video.
If you like what you're fixing to see, please subscribe and hit the buttons, comment section, and all the above.
You're gonna get to learn all of his secrets, so you're one lucky viewer, and enjoy.
Since it's over 100 degrees humidity out there, I'm under the shed. All right, this is gonna be our yard, our ground, the grass, okay? You come in here, first thing you do is take your compost. It's leaves, grass clippings, pine straw, leaf mold. Look at it. That is unbeatable for your garden. Lay your compost on top, 2-3 inches deep, it's your choice. Wet your cardboard. It needs to overlap where the grass can't grow up through it. You put that down good, you come back, get another load of leaf mulch and paper. Now here's the trick, people. If you don't mix this shredded paper with something real careful, it's gonna mat up and make clumps. So you mix it, see? This is actually food for your worms. And you take this stuff right here. Vermicompost, worm poop. See it? And very gently you sprinkle it. Look at it. Real fine grain. And it absorbs water like who'd have thought it. It will help your plants grow. It's for plants. And it's not a fertilizer either. It's a supplement. It's made from plants for plants. I know it's a little late in the year for tomatoes, no joke. But I'm gonna use this for show and tell. Pull back your stuff, cut your little exits, take your trowel, dig down into the ground. Stick them down in the ground, pack them in, put your mulch around it, and forget about it. And the reason I don't plant seeds in a first year bed like this is because you're coming through compost, cardboard, compost, and the seeds usually don't make it. So you plant your plants and they are already through the cardboard. And the cardboard, worm castings and paper and all this, if the worms start working through it and they start making their own compost in the bed, and next year you won't believe the difference. Now, I'm gonna walk over to my garden and I'm gonna prove what I just told you. I'll show you what I just said. You got to get your ground healthy, figure out where you want your bed. Take your hoe fork, bury it down in the ground, and just do this and pull it out. Work the whole bed. And the reason being that opens the ground up. You don't want to turn it or plow it. You want to just open it up a little bit. Your worms can navigate faster, microbes get into the ground faster, and they start working quicker. The water spreads out, evaporates quick, and you work your soil up and you'll start growing. This bed is 3.5 months old. I made it just like this. Layer of compost on the grass, soak it down good. Layer of cardboard on the grass, soak it down good. Layer of compost with paper and a little vermicompost, worm poop. Soak it down good. You cut through and plant your plant. That's 3.5 months old, first year. You look. It's bearing okra like crazy. Every plant in there's got okra on it. That's the first year bed. Right there, the little flower. Here's the good part, gumbo. Say this is the border. Look how low this ground is. Next year, after it bears out, another layer of compost, cardboard compost. Eventually, it'll outgrow this. That's when you start setting up you hire a border. You raise your border with your garden. Eventually, it'll get up knee high. This was planted the exact same day that was planted, 20th of April, April the 4th, I'm sorry. Okay, 4 years of cardboard, compost. You don't see any grass at all. Look at the plants. You keep throwing your, sprinkling your worm compost. That's why it's so pretty. And it's bearing like crazy, look. I cut this okra every other day. A 4-year bed like this, your topsoil underneath is there. You can cut the eggs in the cardboard, move the compost back, sprinkle a little dirt, and put your seed in it on top, and just barely sprinkle something to cover it. And that will grow. That's what I did here. I planted plants there. Now, for your people that live in New York City or big cities that don't have any room, let me show you this. You can do the same thing with containers.
Hey friends, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. And if you have any further questions or you have something that you would like to see answered, please leave that in a comment below.
Turn on the post notification where you're alerted to our upcoming videos. It would be appreciated. Thank you.